invested in Malaysian SNR,
Okay.
and I'm just trying to learn, as much as I can.
Okay. So means as I said, like I have never seen any engagement in the group with you. So I thought, wow.
No, no, no. I usually just like keep quiet and just read post and say stuff. Yeah, I don't think I ever commented before.
Before moving, how many years you were doing trade, brother?
It's been over 10 years now.
Oh my goodness. So you know
Yeah.
everything almost. So you are like you tried everything, nothing is working, so you wanted to try this one, right?
Yes, I had a
And
little bit of I mean, it's nothing consistent, So I'm looking for consistency.
okay, no issue, no issue, no issue. To be honest, brother, you are in the right place. As you are experienced one, okay. As you are
Okay.
experienced one, I am the missing puzzle of your trading. I can give you the guarantee.
Okay, that's
What?
good to hear.
Because if you come to me 1 year before, right, 1 year before, then
Okay.
I would not give you this much guarantee, because that time I did not had any portfolio of the student, nothing, right? So I
Yeah.
I have now 120 plus student. Most of them are profitable. Most of them. Huh. So, and one other thing is, most of them are above 40. Most of them are in the market like 3 year to 15, 17 years. So now I know what to do with what, right? So,
Okay.
so,
Okay.
so now, just give me 1 minute, okay? Give me 1 minute.
Okay. Okay. No problem.
Sorry. So now you know what I'm going to tell you. Market is very much easy, and I can promise you, after this session, trust me, you would say by yourself, brother, this is the thing I wanted for my life. I miss this, I don't know how I miss this, and I am gonna change your life from today. And every session from now, I'm going to blow your mind. Okay?
Okay.
so
Okay.
we ready for it. We ready for it.
Okay.
And
Okay.
if you can call me Am, my name is Mahmudur Rahman. People call me M for two reasons. One, you can say my initial is M, right?
Yes.
Another is like those are the people like you joined and other people joined. They are my James Bond. I created James Bond from the market. So as I am the creator of the James Bond, so I am the M. Okay. So and remaining is like I have been trading since 2011. I started to
Wow.
be profitable actually from 2019. And last
Okay.
6 years I mean been profitable, and I'm to be honest, I made a very good of amount of money. As you are in my core team, but day by day you will know me better, what we are capable of and everything. Okay.
All right. All right.
And remaining, what I can say is, as a trader like you, me, and so what we do, if you are using any social media, you may see a lots of reels, a lots of video, a lots of post about trading. It is very much possible in this world. So we are not Instagram trader. We are not social media trader. We are a real trader. So for a real trader, we do not take only screenshot. What it means by, like, you may see people are doing use volume, 1,000 pips. We do not do that. We always book money. Always book money. Okay.
Okay.
We follow
Okay.
very specific RR first, and once we get comfortable with that kind of RR, then we move to as an experiment level. Let's say I'm going to give you a specific job next 2 months, which will be your stop loss would be this much, your target profit would be this much. Okay. You are
Okay.
here because in past 10 years you did not make profit. You one day made profit, or maybe 1 week you made profit, and one single day all the account gone, washed up.
Yeah. 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 No
So,
good. Yeah.
as I said, next 2 months, I'm going to give you a very specific job. Like, your job is only take a specific amount of profit. After that, doesn't matter market move 1,000 pips or not. We do not care. Once this particular RR or this particular system goes in your blood, and you make it a habit, that means now you know how to make money. You understand my point?
Yeah.
Once you knows like how I can make money from this market, then it comes to an experiment stage. Now you can experiment with yourself. 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips. Because you now know it doesn't matter market goes 100 pips or not, but I know where to close. You got my point? You are
Okay.
psychologically very much strong to make money now. So
Okay.
these are the few pep talk I start before, I do before I start any session. Okay. so
Okay.
so as I send you a video, like this is the base of everything what we are going to do, everything. So you need to understand that part very very clearly. Okay. Now whatever
Okay.
you see my screen or not?
I,
No, 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 no. I did
yeah,
not
I'm
share
only
it.
seeing one.
I just shared it. Sorry, I did not share it. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I
we are
see it
we
now.
are basically looking for a buy from 23. Okay. I'm telling you, there is a signal group also. You will get the access in the signal group. Remember why I open that signal group. Learning, I do not want to be like other mentor. Okay, like who just teach you and then like you are your own. I teach everything. At the same time I give you access to the signal room, so that whatever you learn from me, you can see how I also trade. Okay.
Okay.
So whenever I
Okay.
put a signal, your job will be to goes to that particular area. Why I am saying I'm going to buy from this area, I'm going to sell from this area. Do your own analysis. If it match with your knowledge, like whatever I teach you, you open the trade. If not, take a note, dig deeper, move on. Okay.
Okay.
By the God grace, in last 1 month, actually, I'm providing those signal. My win rate is above 95%. Okay.
Wow. Wow, that's high.
Yeah. So far in last 3.5 weeks, I provided 41 signal. Huh. Total we catch like 2600 pips. Okay. And
Yeah.
and and our stop loss was only 4, and that stop loss is only 133 pips. Okay, in total. In total. So we
Wow.
are still in profitable like 2500 pips plus. Okay.
Wow.
As I said, once you go to that room also, and I'm going to give you the room after your learning, not immediately, because I don't want to lose your focus. Okay. For
Okay.
for us, money is a byproduct. Always remember, money is a byproduct. We do not care for money. We always focus on the process. Consume the process first. Money will automatically come. This is what I
Okay.
believe. Now, before proceeding to the main session, as I send you a video, I want you to ask few question according to my video, what I call it.
That's berries engulfing.
Right. So I have two particular types of engulfing. One is
Oh yeah,
reg-
regular and
regular
irregular.
and irregular. So if any engulfing created by two candle, I call it a regular. If any engulfing created by more than two, okay, more than two, then I call it a irregular. Okay. So in this particular scenario, it is a irregular engulfing. Clear?
Yeah.
Now, what I call it also,
That is a regular berries engulfing.
and what it is.
That's a regular bullish engulfing.
Great. So as of so far, as it is my understanding and my thought process, like everything in the chart is a combination of two particular thing. One is buy and sell, and we use different color for buy or sell, isn't it? So everything is a combination. So if we says this is not a combination, so what we do, we break it. Somewhere we have our combination, isn't it? So,
Yeah.
what combination to pick, what combination to avoid, that's what we are going to learn throughout the courses. Okay?
Okay.
Now, one more thing I want you to ask, which is uh, when this is an engulfing, right? Which is a regular
Yeah.
engulfing, and when this engulfing becoming something like that, what we call it?
Engulfing field.
Engulfing failed. So this part is also clear. Now the question is why we need engulfing. So it's an engulfing cell, isn't it?
Yes.
So we says market goes back to the sell area and then a drop, huge drop, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
And market come back to this particular engulfing area, now struggling here, we may see a buy again. Clear? So this is the
Yeah.
basic reason we need engulfing. We need engulfing fail. We need combination and everything. So far, okay, brother?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, just give me 1 minute.